nights full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my darling so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, Big 707 set to go. But I'm stuck here on the grass, where the cold wind blows. Well, the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. There she goes, my friend, she's a-rolling down at last. Hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver wing on high. She's away in westward bound, for above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying o'er my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down, it's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be. You can't hop a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I best be on my way.